Senegalese-American rapper Akon has announced that Akon City has officially awarded a $6 billion contract to KE International to build and execute his futuristic Senegalese metropolis. While the coronavirus pandemic continues to disrupt the global construction industry, Akon City is reportedly on track to have the first two phases of development completed by 2029, according to the press release. With the awarding of the contract, KE International has secured $4 billion from investors for the first and second phases of execution of Akon City and will have Dubai-based Bakri and Associates development consultants lead the architectural designs under KE International guidance. KE International is known for the design and execution of the $2 billion Mwale Medical and Technology City (MMTC), a green city based in western Kenya, which began in 2014 and is expecting completion in December 2020. MMTC, which is 85% complete, was founded by a US-based Kenyan entrepreneur and investor, Julius Mwale. MMTC is anchored by Hamptons Hospital, a large 5,000-bed referral hospital which opened to the public in 2019 and recently partnered with the Akon platform for its blockchain-based digital transactions. The entire Hamptons Hospital will be completed by end of 2020 and is currently a reference center for COVID-19 prevention and treatment in the 14-county Lake Region Economic Bloc (LREB) of Kenya, a region with a population of 16 million. MMTC has 35,000 community residents served with a new supermarket, new and upgraded residences mall, golf, thousands of solar streetlights, and is powered by 100% renewable off-grid energy. A large artificial intelligence cluster to run the hospital is currently under development. Phase 1 of Akon City's construction is expected to complete by the end of 2023. This phase will see the construction of roads, a Hamptons Hospital campus, a Hamptons Mall, residences, hotels, a police station, a school, a waste facility, and a solar power plant. Phase 2 will run from 2024 to 2029, when the city is expected to run exclusively on Akon cryptocurrency. The government of President Macky Sall of Senegal has earmarked the city as a special tax zone with tax breaks to be given to the city to encourage investment. The initial $4 billion investment secured by KE International for Akon City is led by leaders in healthcare and technology infrastructure and include MMTC's Julius Mwale. Mr. Mwale's Hamptons Hospital, Mall, Supermarket, Solar Power Group, and data centers will be part of Phase 1 of Akon City. Another co-development partner is Senegal's state tourism agency SAPCO, which will fit the city into the country's tourism vision. Akon City is located on 2,000 acres near the ocean, less than an hour drive south of the new international airport in Dakar. KE International will build Akon City to be leader in energy and environmental design, LEED certified, the second such city in Africa with this certification after MMTC in Kenya. Akon City will also have parks, universities, schools, a stadium, hotels, and an industrial complex, and will be fully completed by 2030. Before the announcement of the $6 billion contract with KE International this month, Akon revealed plans about his project during an interview with Nick Cannon some few months ago.
Akon City.
The city is gonna be called Akon.
So it's the Akon.
And it's like a new, like it's a future city. Like everything's ran on like futuristic stuff, right?
It's all renewable. The Akon Solartainment City is all renewable. Yeah, a real physical place. It's gonna have a real airport. Like it's
you got an Akon and you have your own city. That's
right.
How and when will Akon City be complete?
Well, it's a 10-year building block. So we're doing it in stages. We started construction in March.
Right. And
stage 2 is going to be 2025.
And where is it? Where's the city located?
It's in Senegal, West Africa.
Right.
If you enjoyed this video and would like to get more from a definitive information about trends and mega constructions projects in Africa, subscribe to the New Africa channel so you don't miss out on any of our future videos.